Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin no-bake cookie. Fall is upon us, which means pumpkin everything, and I'm going to share my recipe with you for a pumpkin no-bake cookie. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need half a cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, 2/3 cup of milk, 2 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 2.5 cups of oats, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to start by mixing our pumpkin, our milk, our sugar, and our butter up, and we're going to head over to the stove. We're going to heat this up on medium-high heat until the sugar and the butter is completely dissolved. Once our sugar and everything has dissolved, we're going to want to turn this on to a high heat, and we're going to bring it up to the softball stage, which is at 234 degrees. Once it comes into 234, we're going to take this off the heat and we're going to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the mixture is cooled, we're going to go in with our pumpkin spice and our vanilla, and we're going to whisk this all together until it's opaque. Now you can use a fork or an immersion blender if you have one. I recommend doing that. We're just going to whisk this up till it's nice and opaque. Then we're going to go in with our oats. We're going to coat these with our mixture until well combined. Now, working quickly, we're going to want to scoop out a nice amount. Just drop it onto our parchment paper. They will flatten out a little bit. We're just going to let these cool for a couple minutes and then we'll get a taste. Alright, the cookies are fully set. Let's get a bite. They have a nice snap to them. A little bit of a chew from the oatmeal. They have a great pumpkin and pumpkin spice flavor. They're not too sweet. I recommend that you try these this fall. Switch it up from the normal pumpkin flavored stuff. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're into the outdoors like hunting and fishing, you can check out my other channel. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.